Yo, hello guys, welcome once again to Forex Success. So right here you can see on my screen, this is synthetic indices. So we're going to be doing an analysis right now on volatility 10 index. I'm going to show it. We'll do this together so you'll be able to do this on your own and trade profitably. So if you don't know what we're trading synthetic indices. You can only find it on the broker Deriv. The link is at the description below to create an account. So just see the chart for volatility 10 index. So 15-minute time frame, you can see based on our strategy, we're going to be doing this on price action, but with our strategy, guys, you can see that the moving average has crossed above the chart, and the MACD is below the zero level. So it's actually time to go short, that is to place a sell using this strategy. You can see right there. So what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be placing some sell on volatility 10 index. I did this analysis and I'll show you more on why I'm placing the sell. I'm going to use 10 lot size for this trade. Okay, so I'm done placing positions via this. Yeah, so now I'll bring you straight to my to the desktop so you can see why I took these trades on the volatility 10 index. So we're gonna see this, how it's actually moving live on the chart. So with price action, let's do this analysis, guys. So this is the, firstly, like I say, I first check out the 24-hour time frame, which is we all know as the daily time frame. And if you know, previously I told you guys that, hope you've seen this clearly. If you know previously, guys, I told you that volatility 10 index is actually going to go short over I think last week. That's actually going to go short for a long time. That is, I was expecting the market, let me put this on an arrow so to be clear. Okay, like I was expecting this market to go short back to this downside. Yeah, but this is gonna take a lot of time. So that's not actually what we want to talk about now, but we're still actually trading on the direction. So if you can see right here, guys, these are the key levels. These green lines that I marked out there, they are the key levels. They're also called the psychology levels. So I'm going to show you that in another video, how to set psychology levels. Okay, so from this point right here, as you can see on my screen, we're expecting this move, this 10 index to move to the downside. You can see at this level, price has reacted to it. From this point, the market was unable to break through that point right there. So you can see the market was unable to break through this point from the very start right there. But so let me show it to you guys. You can see the movement of the market from the upside down, up, down again. So the market has been moving toward this point. So this is the major resistance level right here. So let me make this a little bit more thick. So that is the major resistance level that the price has been reacting. So I will make this video so really fast. So and now we're seeing this candlesticks reacting to this same level. You see that? So this first candle ended up, that is, the buyers were active pushing this market to the upside, but at the end of the day, sellers won this candle for the day. So again, sellers were returning. You can see sellers pressure are really high here, returning the market back to the downside. And this candle again for the day pushed to the upside, trying to break through, but sellers are pushing it back to the downside. So this is actually a good psychology for us to go down. That is, can I say, the sentimental, it's actually giving us a sentimental sell for these indices right now. So as you can remember, I have already placed my positions on sale right now before I started this video, and you can see it's on about $7 each on profit. That's about $40 on profit. So guys, I'm not done with this analysis. So this is from the daily time frame, and I said that we just want to see the overall movement of this market. So we're expecting this market. So for me, guys, based on my experience and everything on these synthetic indices, I'm expecting this trade by the end of the day to give us a similar move like this previous candle right here. that is coming down to form some long wick, which you can see this blue point I marked out. So that will be the first take profit for this trade. And then if it continues based on the general analysis for the market to move down to the downside, then we can expect some move to this place again, this point, as our second take profit. So by the way, let's see it on the 4-hour time frame. Remember guys, our strategy, our analysis from our strategy indicators, you can see it crossed above it, which indicates a sell. You can see, so the indicator is actually working from the 15-minute time frame. Also it crossed above, and the MACD is below the 0 level, which indicates a sell for us guys. So for those of you that don't believe on indicators and says it don't work, it actually do work. I always say you guys should also top it up with some knowledge of your price actions. So I always say that guys, so and it's really helpful. So we're doing this analysis live right here. So look at it. So from the 4-hour time frame, let me make this a bit smaller. Good, nice one guys. From the 4-hour time frame, you can see the price is still reacting to this same major resistance level right here. The price is still reacting to the major resistance level, and from the formation we are getting here, we can call this a head and shoulders. Yeah, head and shoulders right there, as we can see. So let me spot it out for you to see that this is the head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, the head. See that guys? And the right shoulder, which is right here. So we can call this a head and shoulder guys. Straighten this up. So you can see this guys, this is a head and shoulder, which actually indicates a reversal for this market, for this trend. So we're expecting this market to move down to this downside, like I said previously guys, that this would be our final take profit, our first take profit, sorry, this green line which I've indicated right here as our first take profit for this trade, that is ending up as a week. You see the similar moves giving us a week to touch our first take profit right there. So this is the analysis. The 4-hour time frame is also giving me a head and shoulder pattern, which indicates a reversal. So if it breaks through this, our second psychology level, we are expecting the price to move to this other point right there. So guys, then after that, I move again to the 1-hour time frame. You can do this guys on your, you can do this on your own, get the analysis for yourself and see how the market is actually moving. You can see the head and shoulder pattern is still very much accurate on the 1-hour time frame. You see this guys, head and shoulder pattern is still very much accurate on the 1-hour time frame, which means the market is going short as easy as that. So let's check out the trade that we took. Wow, look at it guys, on $58 profit right now on the chart. So that's it. You can see we do this live and it's moving, and even our indicator, so our indicator is also supporting the movement. That is giving us the same analysis. So if you can do price action, you do. If you can follow the indicators, you follow. Just make sure you have a very good risk management strategy. That is okay. Let me show you. If I'm to set a stop loss for this trade, my stop loss will simply be above the shoulder. Remember, I got this entry right here, so stop loss will be above the shoulder. So let me set it up, the position. Remember, took the entry from that point, so stop loss is gonna be above the shoulder right here, about risking about 15 pips to catch the 30 pips. So as easy as this for the first step. But if I decide to wait, that is to swing this market, I'm gonna be expecting around 95 pips at this level. So that's it guys, at this level. So my first TP is gonna be here and the final TP here. So but I'm not gonna be keeping all the position to this point, so I'm gonna close out some positions right here. I'm gonna close out some position right here and then leave about a few positions to get to the final take profit level right there. So this is it guys from Forex Source. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So if you're watching this video guys, you can actually still look for an entry. Let's say you can go to your 15-minute time frame, look for an entry, because we all know you can mark at this level at the 6862 level as the first take profit level. So if you watch this video, you can actually look for some pullback and enter. That is, as you can see right here now, this is our 5-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame, guys. So if you are able to get some pullback, like the market went up for a retest, continue the downtrend, so you can enter at that retest. That's a very good entry for you also to get into this trade and also make some money for yourself. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you all will be profitable on this trade. So this is Forex Success, and make sure you hit our subscribe button and follow our Telegram group. The link is at the description below right there on this video. So thank you for watching. Make sure create an account via Deriv. This is the only broker that offer synthetic indices. Look at it, synthetic indices, only broker. You can't find it on any broker. The link is at the description below to create an account for this. So thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, so these are the benefits actually of turning on your post notification, because you'll be notified when we drop new videos, so you can get opportunities like this to get signals to trade and make money. So thanks for watching.